Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and this is the Papermate Sharp Writer #2 mechanical pencil, and I really like these. So if you are someone who likes to use a mechanical pencil, this is a really nice option. It has a 0.7mm tip, so it is pretty fine, and something nice about this is that it actually has a shock absorbing end to it. You can see that it kind of moves a little bit, and it's nice because it prevents breakage of the lead. So that is helpful because for some reason I must push down really hard and I'm always breaking the lead in mechanical pencils. So that is nice. I like these too because they have that very classic school feel to them. They've got that yellow color with the pink eraser, and it is just total nostalgia. So if you're looking for some nice quality #2 mechanical pencils that write very well, have a very nice feel in your hand, and last a long time, then I would definitely check these ones out, and that's my point of view.